1986 GMC V6 S15, $3,000, Wheat Ridge, Colorado. This 1986 GMC S15 is a compact 4x4 truck with an extended cab, showcasing the rugged utility of GMC vehicles from the era. With 135,000 miles on its odometer, this truck has been well maintained and features a fuel-injected 2.8-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The custom aluminum truck bed is a practical upgrade, but the seller also offers the original bed for those who prefer a factory look. Recent work includes over $100 spent on 5 new tires and an alignment, as well as a comprehensive overhaul of the steering system and suspension. The truck's robust towing and payload capacities, 6,000 pounds and 2,000 pounds respectively, make it a solid choice for utility tasks. While it has a service engine light due to an EGR valve issue that has already been addressed, the truck passed Colorado emissions testing in December. A few minor upgrades, like a fabricated steel bumper and a new exhaust system, round out this offering. (1970) Ford F100 long bed, $3,750, Freeland, Washington. This 1970 Ford F100 is a vintage pickup that runs and drives well thanks to recent mechanical work. Powered by the reliable 302 V8 engine, it has received new brakes, a master cylinder, new tires, a choke, a tune-up, a battery, and a radiator within the last 3,000 miles. With a clean title and minimal rust, the truck has great potential as a project vehicle. However, its exterior and electrical systems need some attention. The odometer, which has rolled over, reads 33,000 miles. Cosmetic damage on the front doesn't affect functionality. This F100 is perfect for someone looking for a solid base for restoration. 3. 1980 GMC half-ton long bed square body, $2,000, Dale, Texas. This 1980 GMC half-ton long bed is a square body classic with a straight body and solid frame. Although the truck does not have an engine, it includes a functional transmission and rear end. Other parts, including the dash, door panels, and instrument cluster, are available with the sale. While the cab has some rust spots, the bed is in excellent shape, making it a great candidate for a restoration project. With 30 years of ownership history and a clean title, this truck is a blank slate for enthusiasts looking to bring a square body back to life. 4. 1977 Ford F250, $2,750, Springdale, Washington. This 1977 Ford F250 is a workhorse in its original condition, featuring an automatic transmission, air conditioning, and a rebuilt engine with 57,000 miles. Although details are limited, the F250 remains a staple of Ford's heavy-duty lineup, and its vintage appeal, combined with its functional upgrades, offers a great starting point for a restoration or daily work truck. (1988) Jeep Comanche Sport, $7,000, Yucca, Arizona. The 1988 Jeep Comanche Sport is a rare and rugged classic pickup. This rear-wheel drive truck with a manual transmission is powered by a reliable 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and has 128,300 miles. A recent clutch replacement, new shocks, and a 2.5-inch lift with wheel spacers enhance its off-road capability. Other upgrades include LED headlights, a spray-on bed liner, and a Bluetooth stereo system. The body is straight, with minor surface rust and a few small dents that are easily repairable. This Comanche is a well-maintained example of Jeep's unique foray into the pickup market. (6) 1983 Ford F350 Dually, $1,500, Rochester, Minnesota. This 1983 Ford F350 Dually is a rugged farm truck that's seen its share of work, but continues to run and drive well. Equipped with a gooseneck hitch, it's ideal for hauling heavy loads. Despite rust issues and a cracked windshield, recent maintenance includes a new brake master cylinder and rear differential resealing. The truck comes with additional brake parts and a replacement fender, making it an affordable option for someone in need of a functional, heavy-duty truck. Seven, 1980 Plymouth Volare Station Wagon, $4,300, Franklin, Tennessee. This 1980 Plymouth Volare Station Wagon is an all-original classic with a 6-cylinder engine and rear-wheel drive. With just over 62,900 miles, odometer rolled over, it's a rare survivor from the era. Recent upgrades include new tires, and the chrome bumpers are dent-free. It has minor rust and dents, but it starts, runs, and stops well. A spare rust-free hatch is included, adding value for restoration enthusiasts. Eight, 1974 Ford F250 4x4 Ranger, $9,200 for Texas. This 1974 Ford F250 Ranger is a highboy classic, featuring a rebuilt 390 V8 engine with roughly 6,000 miles. The full-time 4x4 system and C6 automatic transmission enhance its capability, while upgrades like a new battery and fuel pump ensure reliability. The truck comes with 2 spare wheels and is in good running condition, making it a standout choice for off-road enthusiasts or collectors. Nine, 1972 Oldsmobile Delta 88, $7,500, Wichita, Kansas. This 1972 Oldsmobile Delta 88 is a vintage sedan with approximately 38,000 miles. It features a new carburetor, fuel tank, and coated undercarriage. While it needs some minor work, valve covers, spark plugs, and battery, it has a practically flawless original interior. Cosmetic issues, including a cracked headlight and a rear dent, are minor. This Delta 88 offers solid potential as a restoration project or weekend cruiser. Ten 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle, $5,500, Longview, Texas. This 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle is a 4-door sedan in original condition, stored since 1987. With a rust-free body, it features an inline 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. Recent work includes new brakes, tires, and a fuel system overhaul. With some additional attention, this clean and solid car could become a reliable daily driver. 11 1965 Ford F250, Nehawka, Nebraska. This 1965 Ford F250 Camper Special is a project truck priced to sell. While the details are sparse, the F250 is known for its durability and strong market appeal. At $1,500, this is a budget-friendly entry point into classic truck ownership. $12. 1973 Chevrolet Cheyenne 4x4, $7,500, Renton, Washington. This 1973 Chevrolet Cheyenne K20 is a powerful 4x4 with a 454 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. With 85,000 miles on the odometer, this truck offers impressive capability and classic American style. It's ready for work or restoration depending on the buyer's needs. $13. 1966 Ford F100, $10,900, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. This 1966 Ford F100 is a well-maintained truck with a long ownership history and documented care. It's powered by a reliable V8 engine and has been professionally serviced for 15 years. The straight body and good running condition make it a standout classic for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a vintage vehicle that's ready to drive. Each of these vehicles offers unique opportunities for restoration, customization, or immediate use, depending on the buyer's preferences and goals.